Yeah man, watch his steam. Morning, afternoon, evening or good night. Whatever time it is, welcome again. Well today we're gonna make some nice Saturday soup. Stay tuned for that. Watch his steam.
Watch his steam. Watch his steam. Watch his steam. Light up the fire in the kitchen. Say me a go cook some finger licking. Say fi light up the fire in the kitchen. Please subscribe now who is watching. Me say fi light up the fire in the kitchen. Say me a go cook some finger licking. Me say fi light up the fire in the kitchen. Please subscribe now who is watching. Light up the stove and the fire well hot. Ready me go ready now fi put on the pot. What time I'm gonna cook now let me see what I got. Sometime I cook a little, sometime I cook a lot. But anything me cook, me say it off it taste nice. Whether if a flour or whether if a rice, whether if a meat or if a vegetable. Ready me go ready now fi cook up the bickle. Cause food a fi eat and belly a fi full. Light up the fire and everything good. Light up the fire in the kitchen. Say me a go cook some finger licking. Me say fi light up the fire in the kitchen. Please subscribe now who is watching. Yeah, like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah, in the kitchen plus watch his steam.
Yeah man, watch his steam. Yes people. Beautiful Friday. Yeah. 2 days after Valentine's Day. So right now I'm just heading down by the bank. Yeah, cause I have to go change a check and then think the right. I know, you see it. Watch his steam. So I'm heading downtown and probably I just get a piece of pumpkin while down there, you know, cause we're gonna boil some pumpkin soup. Nice pumpkin soup. Yeah, some nice Saturday soup tomorrow. And we're gonna use some nice cow skin. Cause you know, say cow skin, they say cow skin is good for pressure, you know. Yeah man, say cow skin good for pressure. Yeah, say just eat or drink a lot of cow skin soup sometime if you have pressure. So right now, me not under pressure still, you know, but we're just trying some different stuff. Cause yeah, I didn't have a pressure cooker and anything there. So since me get a pressure cooker for go and use up, can go and deal with some tough meat I never deal with yet. So watch your steam, you know. So this is the school I used to go, you know. Yeah, I used to go to this school, but I didn't finish this school, you know. I believe I stopped at 9th grade and went somewhere else, you know. Got a year into in Osborne High, Kingsway High, you know, on Osborne Road, you know, and then through the art program and then thing there, I'm gonna learn some tailoring and I'm gonna learn some other things, you know. Yeah, this is the school I used to go. Yeah man. That's Kingston High, you know. That's the school I used to attend, you know. Yeah man, watch your step. Right now, I'm still on my way down to the bank. You know, we have a walkathon already. We love to walk. Yeah. Yeah, so right now, I'm gonna pass my brother place, you know. Yeah, it's right with up on your street, just a pass your place, alright. Just pass your place with right. That's my brother, you know, one of my brother at his team. I'm still a head down, you know. Go and enjoy the lovely walk and then thing there. Yeah man. See you when I reach the bank. The street look good peeps. Yeah man, you say it look good. Yeah man. Streets say them a make, you know. Just feel. Yeah man peeps, one more the street yeah. Pretty. So the street pretty. Oh them billionaire, old time billionaire people. Yeah man. Old time billionaire, you know, brick them make out, you see it. Yes, my peeps, so I finally reach the bank here now. Go inside. Ah, yeah man. You know look, you know no fool, you know. Come like me can't get through quick in here, you see it. Alright. One quick thing and we're gone. One foot away, you know. Yeah man, I saw my time, you know. Yes, my peeps, so I just leave round there, so. Mm. Just leave the bank, so I head back home, you know. Watch his team, you know. Yeah, stay tuned. Up in a mother's say me I get some for that big me up. Get one little lunch with a little girl, you see it. Oh, she not like. What them have this Now we upon some things, you know. One for Tanisha and one for Frederica, you know. Meal over this here, wait. watch it on them thing they put on. Alright, later. Yeah, right now I'm gonna get me on them wash. Yeah man, watch his steam. So right now gonna get my hands clean. I'm gonna get my hand wash before I start washing this meat. Wash my hands first, you know. Watch his steam. Yeah man, watch his steam. So right now, let's have a clean up the meat, get meat clean up, you know. Let's have to clear up the inside of the meat right here. Just clean it out. Yeah, watch his steam. As you can see, I'm just using a knife scraping on the inside where you see those stuff, scrape them out and get it washed off. Watch his steam, you know. Just cut them up little smaller, you know. Cut it up. Sharp, you know. Yes, I just using a knife and I just cut them, slice them up in some smaller cubes, you know. I don't want them too big, you know. That's good enough. Watch it steam. Yeah man, watch his steam. You see say things slippery, you know. So if you have a cutting board, you can just use it and just cut them up on it, you know. Watch his steam. If you have a cutting board, you can just see. Yeah man, watch his steam. Yeah man, so here we have it. Clean up, wash and cut up on them thing there into smaller pieces. And we have it in some water. You know, you can use a vinegar or lime to wash off the meat. So we have it in some water, ready to close the lid on the pressure cooker right here and get it on the fire. But we're gonna put some garlic in that pot right now, about 2 pegs of garlic. Watch it steam. Yeah man, so right now I'm just gonna crush 2 pegs of garlic and get it in the pot. Yeah man, so as you can see, we just crush 2 pegs of garlic, we just put it on a knife and just squeeze it with the thumb and just throw them in the pot. We have the garlic right there, so now we're just gonna close the lid and get this thing pressure up. Watch it steam, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lid on the pressure pot and get the cow skin pressured, you know. Yeah man, so right here we got the chicken, but we're not gonna put it in the pot right now. We're gonna wait until the cow skin get a little pressured first, and then we take out the pressure pot and then we just drop that in the pot with it. Watch it steam. Yeah man, watch it steam. So right now gonna get the pot on the fire. We're gonna wait a little till this cow skin tough, so we wanna get that, we're gonna get that pressure a little first before we put in the chicken in the pot and everything there. But yeah man, stay tuned, watch it steam, you know. Alright, my peeps, so you see the fire side red hot and ready to put on the pot. I'm gonna get this pot on the fire right now, and then I just get everything flowing. Yeah man, watch this steam. Yeah man, we got the pressure pot on the fire. Yeah man, so let's get started. Yes, my peeps, you know the cow skin tougher than the chicken, so we're gonna let that cook a little before I put in the chicken in the pot. Yeah man, so you see it, pressure pot, fire under it, hot heating up on him thing there, build up. So in the meantime, you can go and just wash off the next meat and get it prepared, and the pumpkin prepared for boil and them thing there. You know what? Our gas stove is too ready up, you know. Yeah, some things that go on, we have to just buy a new phone again. We have to do this. You see the drama in our life that take place. We have people to take care of. So everything take time, you see. So we do the most important thing right now. You see it, but it's still. Yeah man, so the meat are pressure right now. So right now we just go wait and get the meat prepared, and in the meantime the chicken wash off and clean up, you know, and the rest of stuff them. Yeah man, watch this thing. Well, right now, I think say the cow food cook enough, so we're gonna just get the chicken in the pot right now. Let go some steam. Yeah, right now just taking a look. So right now we are gonna check on the meat and get the chicken in the pot. Ooh, yeah man, that go on with itself. So right now, still want to cook some more. I'm gonna test that right now with a fork. After that, yeah, I thought the camera was on a while ago. And now I'm gonna add the chicken. Yeah, add the piece of chicken in the pot, give it some more flavor and taste, you know. Yeah man, I'm gonna let that cook down, you know. Then I'm gonna get the pumpkin and let it boil with it. Watch it steam. I'm gonna add a little more water to that. Yeah man, so that about 3/4 cook, you know. Soft, but not really the soft way you want it. So we're gonna let it finish off cooking the chicken because we don't want to too pressure the chicken too much, you know. So watch it steam. Ooh. Yeah man, watch it steam. So this kind of 3/4 cook, not fully cooked. So we're gonna let it the chicken finish cook with it, you know. Watch it steam. Yeah man, so I'm just gonna test it with a fork right now. But we're gonna make it 3/4 cook before we add in the chicken and then thing there. Take off the pressure cover and make it go and cook. Put in the pumpkin, make it go and boil and then thing there. And you know the soup start. After that, yeah, I thought the camera was on a while ago. And now I'm gonna add the chicken. Yeah, add the piece of chicken in the pot, give it some more flavor and taste, you know. Yeah man, I'm gonna let that cook down, you know. Then I'm gonna get the. So we're just gonna get a cover and cover this. Yeah, man, watch it steam. Well, I know we're gonna just scrape out this pumpkin, peel it, wash it, and get it boiled. You know, some people don't crush it like I do. They just cut it up and just put it in the pot. Well, I'm just gonna crush this pumpkin when it's boiled. Yeah, man, watch it steam. So right now we have the pumpkin clean up, wash and them thing there. So now we're gonna get it in the pot. Yeah, man. Ready for get in the pot. You know, some people boil them pumpkin different, them cut it up, but we gonna boil it to crush it out. Yeah, man, watch it steam. Yeah, so because we're gonna crush this pumpkin, we're just gonna let it boil, you know. So in the meantime, we're gonna look after the carrot and then we look after the flour and the yam. Watch it steam. So right now, I just close on the pot and let it go and bubble up. Yeah, man. The pot just a bubble and a bubble. Yeah, man, watch it steam, you know. This is the size carrot that I'm gonna use. I'll use about four of these size or so. I'm gonna put it in the soup. Yeah, man, cut them up right now and get them in the pot. Watch it steam. So we're not gonna cut them up too big. We're just gonna slice them up. And here we have the carrot them slice up and dice up. So right now we're gonna get it in the pot right now, right away. Eat pumpkin finished, so we're gonna get the pumpkin out and the carrot in. Remember, we're gonna crush the pumpkin, so we're gonna get it out of the pot and get when I put in the carrot and take out the pumpkin. Yeah, man, watch it steam. Yeah, man, so right now I'm ready for need of the flour, you know. Yeah, let's get the flour needed. So right now we're gonna need the flour, put some salt in this and add some water. Yeah, man, we're gonna add some salt about now. Yeah, man, watch it steam. So right now I'm gonna put the salt in it and just get some water and knead up the flour. Yeah, man, watch it steam, you know. Yeah, man, so right now I finished kneading the flour, so I'm gonna get it in the pot, then I peel the yams. Yeah, man, yes, my people, well, me just I make some little roly-polies and some small dumplings, you know, cause a soup and we don't need anything too big in it, you know. Watch it steam. now we're gonna add the yams. Yeah man, what is steam? Yeah man, what is steam? So we just add the flour in the pot. So right now we're gonna peel the yams, wash them, and get them in the pot also. And then we just put in the pumpkin in the pot. Yeah, the crushed pumpkin in the pot and then thing there. Cover it down. Let it go and cook. What is steam? Okay, right now we have the nice yellow yam. We're gonna peel it and get it in a pot, Watch it steam. Okay, so ready to get the yams in the pot right now. Hungry. Yeah man, watch it steam. So right here we got the yams. Peel, wash and slice up. So now we're gonna get it in the pot. Yeah, you see the pot bubbling. Bubble, 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 bubble pot soup. Bubble, 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 bubble like soup. Yeah, join the yams them now and put it in the group. Yeah man, so after we get in the yams them, we are just give the pot a stir in it. So we are gonna put some more water in that and them thing there. Probably a little more water when it's and them something there. I want a good amount of soup. Cause remember cow skin in there and it a thickening up the soup and them thing there when I want it over thick. So right now after that we just stir the pot and give it back a close down. Now we're gonna add in the pumpkin right now. Get the pumpkin in the pot. Watch it steam. Yeah man, so right here the pumpkin is ready to get into the pot. Crush and ready. Yeah man, so right now we're just gonna stir the pot and cover it down. And then in a while we just add the skeleton and thyme. Watch it steam. Yeah man, so all the food is in the pot, so we just cover it down and let it cook. When the food cook, the yam and them thing there, when the food near for cook and them thing there, we add in the skeleton and the thyme and them thing there. And one green pepper in the pot, and they can cook some more and they will start seasoning up with the maggi, the cocks. Yeah man, so right now we have the skeleton and thyme. Soup is looking nice and lovely and we have the green pepper. Don't let the pepper burst. You can keep the stem on the pepper. Yes, see we're marking up people, so I don't know where some people thinking about, cause you see that cock soup mix. So right now we're gonna get it in the pot right now. Watch it steaming so right now we're gonna do it too. Okay, well you see I'm getting in the cock soup mix in the pot and we're giving it a stir and we just allow that to just go down a little more to just boil some for about 5 to 8 minutes or so, or 5 to 10 minutes, or 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, man, watch it steam. I think about 5 minutes of work, watch it steam. Already, need to boil some more. Yeah, man, right now just stir it up. Yeah, man, don't want it to too stick. Watch it steam.
say we just finish adding the soup mix. Yeah, the soup mix and them thing there. And give the butter stir and close it down back for cook again. After cook, ready for cook down. So ready for food. See me I lick my lips. Ready for taste and everything. So right now it's going down and them thing there. It's cooking. So one last taste if you need a little salt. You need a little salt in it, you know, spice up with the thing. You know, say some of us are not diabetics and the thing they call we love for taste. You know, some people just don't put salt when them cook them, add it themselves and them thing. But we in Jamaica we do it different. So watch this thing.
Yeah, man, what is steam? So the soup looking so yummy and delicious, and I look water down like bag juice right there in front of you. You see the soup, nice pumpkin soup with some nice cow skin and them thing there. I think it's a nerve them say good for something cow skin, but you get back to that. So right now, soup finish. I'm gonna dish out mine right and now. What is steam? If you love pepper, you know you can always burst the pepper or something. What is steam soup ready? Soup ready now. Soup ready. Yam, dumpling, chicken, and cow skin. Yeah, man. Now all I need is a soup. Yeah, man. What is steam? So it's still a steam up. Soup hot and ready, you know. Yeah, gonna consume this. This one is for Tanisha still. Yeah, man. Gonna put some more in for her soon. What is steam? Yeah, and this is mine. Gonna deal with it right now. They're rich and nice. There's cow skin and there's a carrot right there. Yeah. Place at the soup, you know. Yeah, man, what is them? Just get Tanisha over here, huh? Yeah, man, long green enough. Food finish. Yeah, that is it. What is them?